Good morning everyone, today we'll be looking at another Timex watch review. A lot of the Timex watches I'm doing sort of promotionally, and you can get these on, most of them on discount. They're always offering discounts on Timex. Click the links in the description below to go straight to purchase this watch if you want it. For today's purposes, we're looking at one of the Q Timex Reissue brands, collections. Initial look at the box, got a simple grey finish box with Timex branding in the lid, and it's a simple lift off lid. Watch is housed on a ash grey cushion with your manual included inside as well. Get that little bit of fabric off for you. Silicone, or whatever they call it. So here we go, guys. This is the Q Timex 1972 reissue. Looks a little bit like a sort of a casino theme. So it has a 15mm case thickness, and it's got a fairly sort of small case dimension. So it's 43 times 39. Operates on a coin slot battery quartz movement. Weighs 74 grams as well, and retails around about £150. So let's get nice and close to this dial if we can. We've got a nice sort of sunray red dial, as you can see there, with non-luminous hands, non-luminous increments, and a full thick casing with domed acrylic glass across the top of the face of the watch. The whole watch is housed in sort of a stainless steel finish, gold-plated, PVD gold-plated, with a polished finish. I'll turn the lamp off in a minute so you can see what it's like underneath natural light. Date dial at the 3 PM as well, with a black leather strap, just detailing that watch there. Very small crown. Very nice, small yet firm crown. Good amount of feedback on it when you turn the hands round. And a silent date dial. So that's how it looks without the main light on. Obviously catches quite a lot of the light and different things from in this room. So 20mm black leather strap with single holes, gold-plated PVD style casing, buckle to match the casing. Full coin slot inserted case back. Quick release options available on the strap, so you can quickly chop and change the strap based on what you'd like. So there we go, guys. That is the Timex Q Reissue 1972. If you'd like to purchase that, go and click on the link in the description below. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video.